All right, guys, learning how to suture can be very easy, but we just need a few things. Some suture material, surgical pack, this is my field kit, and practice pad. We'll break each one of these down in the next few videos explaining what type of sutures there are and when to use them, surgical pack, what's inside of them, and the pad itself, and different techniques when we actually start to suture. Let's go through the pack. This is a minor surgery pack, field kit. I bring it with me when I'm going hiking or basically anywhere I can bring it with me. Let's take a look what's inside. In my opinion, some of the most important things to have is obviously needle drivers. This is to suture and cut the suture material with. And then thumb forceps. So thumb forceps, there's many different kinds. This is for small tissue, delicate, and these are rat tooth. A little bit more traumatic. Then you have thumb forceps. These are a little less traumatic. They don't have the rat tooth, but for a little bit bigger tissue. Next, you have the exact same style, but these are rat tooth. So when you really need to grab the tissue. Then the next most important thing, I think, hemostats. You have two different sizes. You have the mosquito small and some that are a little bit bigger. And then the next most important thing, I think, is large scissors. So these are usually what I use to cut the drape or larger material. Then bandage scissors. These are blunt at the end to remove the bandage that's been wrapped around, being careful not to cut the skin or tissue. And then finally, I would say these are suture removal scissors. They got a little notch right here, and that's intended to remove the suture without cutting. And then I have another pair of thumb forceps for much bigger tissue to handle. I also have, this is a pretty much ready to go kit, suture material, different sizes. We'll touch on that once we get to the suture material, but definitely want to have some suture material in here. This is a very nice little kit. You can purchase this on Amazon. I'll eventually put in the description a link where you can purchase it, but I find this to be the most important tools to have when it comes to my field kit.